Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forecast.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Thursday, September 9 and the time is around 3 a.m. GMT. So today we're going to be looking at the chart of the US dollar Canadian dollars right here. So we have a 30 minutes chart. It's a short term chart and we ended with X here at 124.90, and since then it has rallied, which looks like an impulse, and ended with 1 here. Now looking for a zigzag pullback in the wave 2, and as long as we stay above 124.90 we can get US dollar CAD to continue to go up. Okay, so basically favoring more upside, and you can see we are within with Y to the upside. Now zooming out to get a little bit context on where we are. This is a 4-hour chart here. So this is the X that we saw here in the 30 minutes chart. So that means this is our W. And what we are looking at here is a cycle that started from June 2nd, right? And from here we have a rally in the US dollar CAD, or for that matter in any US dollar pairs, not just US dollar CAD. We ended this leg here as a W, and we ended the pullback here as an X. So it's a shallow pullback if you think about it. It's not really that big of a pullback. But the structure of the pullback, it definitely looks like a 3 swing so far. It's not a impulsive at all. It's a 3 swing. So that tells us that it is correction. And as a result, we could have a chance to extend on the upside. Now, whether this is really in the end of the correction or whether we're going to be doing a bigger WXY, only a break above the previous peak is going to be able to confirm that. Now, however, even though we don't have the confirmation yet, we can sort of look at a couple of data points to give us a clue which one is more likely, right? Now, number one clue is the rally looks impulsive. So that gives us a clue that we most likely going to extend higher again, since this one looks like an impulse. Now, second clue, if we do correlation analysis and we look at the Swiss, US dollar Swiss. Now take a look at this US dollar Swiss, which is another US dollar pairs technically speaking, and all of them is related to each other with the dollar index as well. Now you see in the dollar Swiss, looks like it is about to break above this peak here, August 13, and it's also going to break above this July 2nd. And if it does break above this and above this, that will open up bullish sequence, a high high, and looking for the upside. So most likely then, if that happens, you will see the dollar index, which is just a reflection of all these other US dollar pairs here. Dollar index most likely also is going to be doing this instead of doing this. It will do this, right? So most likely then the dollar index can straight go up as well if the Swiss breaks above this and creates a bullish sequence. So as a result, US dollar CAD has a potential to finish this connector. Now I know if you measure the retracement in the US dollar CAD, it's not really that big of a pullback. It's only well, it's okay. It's a little bit below 38.2, almost reaching 50%. It's a respectable kind of pullback, right? So you're correcting the W here and it's almost reaching 50%, so it's a respectable pullback. So we are looking for the upside in the shorter cycle as long as the pullback stays above 124.90. Okay, so that's the update here for today, and as always, if you do want to get regular updates on Forex, commodities, indices, feel free to check our service. We have 14 days free trial, and the link is provided in the description of the video at the YouTube. Alright, so see you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day everyone.